Ah, what a perfect day for a harvest! This haul will be fantastic at the city market. He won't know what hit him. My perfect trap. Oh no! How will I get past this? It's too heavy. I can't move it. Looking for something, little pig? These delicious vegetables are mine now. My entire harvest gone. What will I do? Whoa there, little guy. What's the trouble? The gray wolf stole my truck and all my produce. Hold tight, Paco. We'll get your produce back.